Hey everyone, this is Eric from Pew Pew Tactical. Today we're going to do a quick field strip and reassembly of the CZ75 SP-01. First, let's make sure it is unloaded. Press the magazine release button right here. And let's double check that the chamber is empty as well. We are good to go. Now, take a look at the notches over here on the slide and the frame. We're going to try to match those up and then press here to release this pin. Now, if you haven't already when you were checking, make sure you can have the hammer back so it lessens the tension. Let's match that up right there and press. And it might be a little bit difficult. If it is, use the bottom of your magazine to kind of hammer it. All right. Now, keep that there and then we can pull it out. Now it will slide right off. Put the frame down, and let's take a look at the recoil assembly. We'll press downwards here while holding it like that, and come out just like that. And I can make sure you know the orientation here, and we pull out the barrel just like that, up and out. That does it for the quick disassembly. Now let's reassemble. Grab your slide and your barrel, and move your barrel just into that larger hole here. And I like to just slowly slide it back until it falls into place and is pretty snug. Now, grab a recoil spring and recoil rod, like that. You can see that there's kind of a nipple here and an indent over here. You can try to match that up at the end. But first, put the spring into this hole, and we're gonna press down till so, and then let's press until it fits in. Now it's kind of stuck there. Now what makes the SP-01 really cool is that the rails are more integrated into the frame. So you can see we're gonna match that up with here. That allows the slide to sit lower. Okay. All right, so we're gonna move it so these lines match up and the pin will be able to go in. But first, I'm gonna drive it down a little bit, but definitely be careful. You don't wanna smash this in and mar your finish. So I'll put my finger here, just in case. We'll get it ready. Now let's move it back and match up. Now that's matched up, we'll press it in. You can see just like that. Cool. Now let's double check that the chamber is empty because we're gonna check for function. Pointing in a safe direction. That works. Check for reset. And let's double check for double action. That does it. Please give us a thumbs up if that helped, like and subscribe, and check out the links below for more info. Again, that was the quick field strip of the CZ75 SP-01 from Pew Pew Tactical.